inspiration has struck. I basically just came up with the sickest idea of all time, and I was like, holy shit, I need to start stream immediately and start making it. Because okay, context. I've been getting really into this very specific branch of the Y2K aesthetic. It is called Vector Heart. And this looks sick as hell, and it very nicely aligns with the general aesthetic of Mirror's Edge as well. And I was also thinking, because in Hi MacGuffin, in the scene that we've been building, like this first opening establishing shot, there are still a few billboards. There's still a few billboards that are left. Kind of looks like the subway ads in Medj. You're exactly on the right track. That's what I was thinking too. I still have a few billboards that I need to fill. And I was like, yeah, I'm gonna fill all of these with that kind of aesthetic, with designs that look like that. And at work, I was messing around with like one thing that's very common in this kind of, or like that like fits in really nicely in this kind of aesthetic, are like barcodes and QR codes. They like fit into this aesthetic very, very nicely. Like these kind of icons, like geometric shapes that are either like orthogonal or diagonally aligned. So I was like, okay, what if I like generate a QR code that either links to my Patreon or my merch store? And then and just now the realization hit that I could use my 3D character and model out like a hoodie and put the fucking merch design on that, and basically like do like product photos that way for specifically for these posters in that video. And then there's going to be a QR code in the corner that you can go to, and then it links into the actual store. And then it's like, oh my god, you could actually buy this shirt. That'd be so sick. So that I was like, okay, I have to get on this right now. What's up, Danky? Yeah, I was like, oh my god, this is like the best idea I've ever come up with in my entire life. The thing is, I've never made a design like this, so it's gonna be a lot of trial and error, and I'll have to like probably mood board a lot of shit as well. But yeah, there's lots of things that I could start with. Either I start with the general design of the poster. I'm probably not gonna get everything done today, right? Like I can make the general design for all of these posters. I can start modeling out the hoodie. I can reuse the t-shirt that I've already made and just plop the design on that in texturing. That's also possible. Oh, I was also thinking, instead, like the 3D character, right? Instead of it being like my little Zweege, right? Because that guy's already like in this scene. I would like adapt the model a little bit and just make it like a blank, like a mannequin effectively, but like in these sick ass poses, wearing the like that'd be so cool. I was like, I can see it so clearly. But yeah, that's the idea. That's the idea, and that's what I want to get started with. Now the question is, do I want to get like, what do I feel like doing more right now? I think I want to do like the general poster design first. So I think the first thing I probably want to do, probably this one. This one's the most present one. I don't know what the aspect ratio of this is. Can I get like the size? 11.3, 6.3. So let's see. 11.3 divided by 6.37. That's 1.7. That's like 1.77 is like, isn't that like about the same as 16 by 9? It is like almost exactly the same. Oh. Okay, then I can do like just a 4K screen, basically. So while Affinity is starting, I was looking at this wiki right here, and there's like a few examples. For one, these two studios, and then a few other visual examples. Like this one, for example, is really cool. This is also pretty cool. Mm-hmm. Let's see what we can find here. You see, here's like a barcode, for example. Whoop. Use that one. That one looks pretty cool. Oh yeah, these didn't really have much on their site, but like these guys have a lot. Formula Fusion. Oh yeah, this type of shit right here. Oh, look at that. Learn more and learn less. That's cool. This isn't quite what I'm looking for, though. Okay, that's definitely cool. That's cool. Okay, these are great. I get that. Right now, I really like that it's like automatically scrolling. I don't have to do anything. So I can just pick out one that's like, if it immediately catches my eye. That one's cool. The arrows. This, ooh, that for sure, 100%. All of that, okay. This one is hella sick, for sure. I'm gonna vet out this one. Don't love the font. Sure. These, I like these. Yes. Oh, that kind of looks like kanji. It's not kanji. It says on patrol, but I might actually. Hi, Gabi. This is a bit too grungy, but I kind of like the idea. At least like these stripes for sure. You know what? I'm gonna pull up Obsidian right real quick, and just pull these all into like a big ass mood board. Oh god, where am I even gonna put that? Oh, I have made solar panels. I've made billboards. I've made scaffolding. I have not made catwalks. Oh, particles. I still wanted to do particles and stuff. Intro sequence mood board. I guess I'll just like drop it all in here. Whoops. Okay, can I just like do this? Yeah. Ah! I really like this one. Like the thin lines and stuff. This one's a little bit... This one's very grungy. I think I'm gonna actually take that one out. A little too grungy for my taste. Or for what I'm trying to aim for. There was also like a playlist on YouTube that I found. What was it? Victor Hart. Right here. Yeah, this sort of stuff. Like, these little... Where there? This sort of stuff. This too. Wow, 480p. Yeah, this kind of stuff also looks really cool. It's all very low res right here, but that's fine. I just need like a general idea of what I'm looking for. Right, there's also this stuff, like all the these like tiny little dots all around. Like it's like grid-like. What are we doing right now? We're grabbing inspiration for the billboards in the opening scene. I think, what's this one? Oh, damn. Okay, it's definitely like nutritional facts or like icons that like legally have to be printed on certain products are also really good. There was like a sheet with a bunch of icons. Yeah, that's what it was. So this is kind of what we're looking at. And I want to try and so chronically aligned earlier I used a skull emoji in the Microsoft Teams work group chat. That's awesome. That's awesome. I love that. Okay, so this one is like super great. I really like this one. Like the bold fonts. I like the shape of this text as well. I really like the thin lines here. I'm a big fan of like the diagonal stripes here. This one, honestly, well, it's the barcode, it's the numbers here. But like, I would not do this one. Oh, like the dotted font is really good. The question is, what kind, like, do I want to use text? And what kind of text do I want to use? That was a good-ass question, I don't know. I think what I might want to try and figure out first is the general shape of the billboard here. So we're gonna do QHD 1440p, yeah, 4K basically, QFHD and vertical. I probably don't need it to be that high resolution if I think about when I think. I don't know. Okay. So, okay, one shape I have in mind pretty much immediately is something that goes like down here. Let's do orange for now. And then something like this as like the first main shape, and then something that sort of like mirrors that on the other side. But like something a lot more thin. Or what I could do instead is go back to white. No stroke, but instead white right here. And then I can dupe this a few times and maybe like do some shit like this. Something in that kind of direction. Might even go like even further. Take this one out all the way right here. And then do another one. Just like one really thin line out here. Did your blinds just automatically open in the background? Yeah, they tend to do that. House is haunted. Make this one like super thin. I kind of like the shape of this right here. Now, what is this? It's just like a bunch of strokes like that. Okay, I'm starting to not like this general shape that much anymore. I think I might want to do... Wow, I actually like that. The way that's kind of doing something. Yeah, that's actually kind of cool. Could I go harder in that direction? Something like that. Yes. 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 I'm just making shit like... I could probably just keep doing like placing shit like randomly. Let's see how this... Why of all instances did you choose now in parentheses now? Because I have been inspired. And I can't let go of this moment of inspiration. And I have to make something out of it. I'll put this on top of everything though. Okay, okay. No. It's horrifying how much you look like Anthony Fantano. That would have been true like half a month ago, maybe. When my hair was still like really, really short and I was actually like properly bald. Now my hair is just regular ass short. I'm not bald anymore. My baldness is cured. You've no audio, by the way? Okay, cool. Then why are you talking to me? Fuck you. Did you see the Zenless stream? I did not know. I actually have not been like caught up with anything related to Zenless. I actually like completely fell out of that, actually. I like played it for like 2 days and I was like, this is fun, and then I just immediately stopped. I completely dropped it. I'm like completely out of it already. Yeah, where do I save this? No, in work. Oh yeah, YouTube, Airstream. No, Kickglitch PhD. Project files. I guess intro sequences, yeah. Billboards. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like the idea of these super thin lines, but they don't work that well here. And I think in order to make them like a part of the whole thing, I'd have to like place a shit ton of them. What if I make that? What if I just like commit to making these the same length? It's better. I think they just need a little bit of more breathing room now. That's good. That's good. That's good. Okay. You know what? Now that I think about it, I should totally. Nah, I don't like these. I don't like these thin lines. I think I'm just gonna take them out because I don't know how to place them in a smart way. Fucking Asimov looking boy. That's actually a. Hang on. What? Isn't Asimov like a specific like a specific designer? I mean, there's Isaac Asimov, who's like the. Yeah, it kind of looks like that. Or is it like based on something else? I don't know. I know the only Asimov I know is Isaac Asimov, but that's like a science fiction author. He didn't make any of that shit. Okay, yeah, no, I wanted to do the QR code, which luckily I have already put that one in my Google Drive. Shit. Come on, download that shit. Why is it zipping one file? It's a JPEG. Why the fuck would it zip a single JPEG? That makes actually no sense. Okay, so this is our QR code. It's not super duper clean, so I'll have to clean that up. What's up next? Okay, so anti-alias, I don't want to do that. Tolerance 11%. So remove that, then invert. No, that's not what I want. No, I want to. Okay, I think I need to rasterize it. Yeah, rasterize that shit first, and then boom. Okay, then. Okay, I don't like that. Okay, I think. Okay, like the edges don't quite align. I don't know if that's a big problem, but whatever. So let me put this guy right here and this guy right here. Okay, another thing I wanted to do was barcodes. I think I want to put this guy right here. Okay, I really like this shape right here. I think I want to do more of this for sure. So I think what I'm gonna do. Whoopa. Nah. I do want to do something with this guy. Maybe like cutting in like that might actually be kind of cool. I kind of like that. I kind of like that. I think this line is a little bit too thin. What might be cool now. So one of these. Or wait, I think I'm dumb. I would just change the color back to this right here. That's what I was more so looking for. Yes, I like that. I like that more. This is very vibes based right now. There's no methodology, by the way. Make it a bit thinner. Yeah. What are you making? Billboards for the intro sequence. I think the QR code should be orange. Can it still be scanned if it's orange like that? Let me try that. Color overlay. Let's see if my phone can still scan that. Oh, it can. Let's go. Nice. Wait, that's my Patreon. That one links to my Patreon. That's not even the one I want. What the fuck? That's the wrong one. Shit. I want the one that links to the merch. Damn it. It's the wrong fucking QR code. Wait, what? Oh wow, no, that is the... Wow, I'm dumb. Okay, this goes in here. Alright, rasterize. Boop. Okay, there we go. This one's actually clean now. Can I... Ah, whatever, I'll just throw the effect on here as well. Color overlay. Boom, 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 boom. Like that. And just to get the size consistent. Boom. And now let's test that one just to be sure. Just to be absolutely 100% sure that it's working. Oh yeah, that works pretty much instantly. Hell yeah. Hi, Skelly. Importing custom models to Titanfall 2 is so ass, trying to make it work so you can do stuff with the enemies. Oh. Yeah, well, good luck with that. Okay. I think now I want to add the funny little barcodes. So what I'm going to do is right here. Barcode generator. Okay, boom, boom. Bruh. All right. Well, that's screenshot issue, I guess. But that's fine. That should be pretty easy and quick to fix. There should be a pencil tool here, right? Where the fuck? Okay, brush, pixel tool. There you go. Okay, boom, 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 boom. Think the rest looks clean. Yep. So that's our barcodes. So I'm gonna do that one vertically along. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna place it and then I might even want to do like all the color afterwards. That was a lot of booms. Yeah. One for each pixel. Okay, so I think now what I want to do is also do a little text that's next to it, like vertical text. Can I do, okay. So I of course want to have a little man studios, but can I do like, can I like align it vertically? Is that a thing? Let me see, position and transform. No break, superscript. See if I can find, that one's a pretty good font. Oh, like an outline like that, okay. Bro. Super and subscript. Okay, you can do that. Optical alignment. Annual font. Or is it paragraph maybe? Oh god. Justification. Okay, let me see if I can find a tutorial for it then. Affinity photo vertical text. Oh, there isn't any option setting for this. You can use the frame text tool to create a frame with a small width. Oh, you could do. I guess so. That's a good idea actually. So let's do. Oh. And then. And then. Where was it? Where was it? That is also a really good font, actually, for this aesthetic. But I was... Okay, I think I definitely want that shit to be a lot smaller. So I think what I'm gonna do... just do like one word at a time. I think that'll work. Ah. Actually, I think I maybe want to align it to the top instead. Okay, and I think I want to do more lines. Like a really thin line right here. That definitely needs to be thinner, even still. Yeah. That's pretty good. I think now I want to start placing some fucking icons and shit. This is starting to look kind of fucking sick, actually. Okay. So what kind of icons do I actually want to place? There's these. But actually, wait, wait. Oh, I already know. So you know those icons that you see like on like the little tags and clothes for like how you're supposed to wash them? How do you call those? What do you call those? Clothing care icons? I don't know. Yes, exactly these. Oh, dude. Yes, dude. I'm gonna use these. That is exactly and precisely what I need. Actually, okay, for actual realism, you know what? I'm gonna fucking I'm gonna investigate what the what are what is actually on here, and how you're actually supposed to take care of it. Oh, dude, look at that. Okay, so we have 30 on the hoodie. We have this crossed out triangle. We got the we got this one, the one with one dot, and then one that's not on here, but it's the iron with one dot. Is it different for the t-shirt? I wonder. It's actually different icons. I guess it's because it's from a different manufacturer, so it makes sense that the icons look a bit different. But this one doesn't even give you a temperature to wash it at. It just has a dot. It just says machine wash cold inside out with colors. Oh, machine wash cold inside out with like colors. What the fuck? Okay. Let's see if I can. Ah, right. This icon right here is what it has. Hang on, this one is 100% cotton. This one is. Yikes! That one's only 80% cotton. That one's, well, I guess it's 20% recycled polyester, which is maybe that's fine, but. Ew, plastic. Okay, so do I want to do 2 separate posters, one for the t-shirt and one for the hoodie, and then do the different icons based on that? I think in any case, this sheet right here has all the icons I need. Right, this one has, well, I guess it has a different number, so I'll probably have to remake them in a way. Although, I mean, I can. These are fine to just use as a base reference, and then these look pretty good. So I'm gonna start with the t-shirt actually. So so we have the bucket with a dot. We have a triangle with 2 diagonal lines in it. Not this one. The lines are parallel on that one. Do not iron if decorated. Do not dry clean. So no ironing and no dry cleaning, which is this. Okay, I'm gonna leave that here just for reference. I might even want to just make a new file for this real quick. Or do I want to do this in Designer? Maybe I want to do it in Affinity Designer. Might be a bit better. All right, let me close this. Don't need that. I can close Blender for now as well. Okay. Let's make some fucking clothing care icons right now. This is incredible. Okay, so let's do. Yeah, square is fine. Whatever. That's the question. Okay, so. So I'm gonna use. Bucket, does it have a line underneath? It does not have a line underneath. This is exactly what I'm trying to recreate. Well, I don't like how many waves are in this one though. I want fewer waves. 3 waves I think is good. So let me just screenshot this. Pop it in here. Okay, so. What I might even want to do. Since I probably just want to mirror this. Is that a thing I can do? Can I do like add like an layer effects? Or like a modifier, basically. Arrange geometry. Move inner curves. Or I can just duplicate it. And then oh god. Boom, mirror, and boom. I am now heard. I am so glad that I am heard now. I think I might even want to make it a little bit higher like that. And then boom, 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 boom. Or hang on. And then hit the middle. Okay, wait. Make the line here a little bit thinner. Please provide 5 bullet point arguments on why you don't look like Anthony Fantano. 1, I'm wearing headphones right now. 2, I am not bald anymore. There's like actually hair here. 3, I have more facial hair. 4, I'm wearing a turtleneck. I don't think I've ever seen Anthony Fantano wear a turtleneck. 5, I'm a different person. My name is not Anthony Fantano. 6, I'm way funnier. Okay, this one just has like a little dot in it. Just a little dot. Just a silly little dot. Boom, circle. Boop. Fill, black. Okay, I will not lie. That looks a bit shit. Kind of like join them. That's better. Let's do Kickglitch PhD, project files, intro sequence, billboards, link here icons. Okay, so that's our first one. Let's just export this hinge is fine, but only the selection. So we have our transparent background. Okay, so wash one. Okay, so that's one. Then we have our triangle with 2 lines in it. Wash one. Boom. I think that one should be fairly straightforward. Triangle tool. Let's do boom. Interesting. And then I'll try and this, and then this. Boom, 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 boom. And they're also both a little bit thinner. I want to make them a little bit thinner like that. And there we have our little triangle. Oh shit, the wash one has like a little bit of white on it. It should not have a fill like that. Boom, and boom. Boom. No fucking way is bro making the clothing tab label thingy? Yes, exactly. And I'm making them actually accurate to the shirt that you will be getting. So now we have the ironing board thing, which that one's a little bit more complicated. We got this one. I'll use that one as reference. Something like that. Okay, let's see. So we go from here. Oop. Let's go from here to here to here, then to here, then to here, and then to here. Okay, it's not perfectly straight, but I think that's okay. Let's make that line a little bit thicker for consistency's sake, like that, roundabout. Roundabout like that. And this one is do not iron. Yeah, this one had like cross through. Yep. So that means we go boom, boom, and the line should definitely be a lot thinner here. That. Oop. That looks good to me. do not iron. And then one last one is the do not dry clean, which that one is insanely simple. That one is quite literally just a circle, a crossed out circle. So that one goes like this. And then I can take the same cross out here, boom. I guess they don't have it at like a perfect 45-degree angle. So I guess I could do this. There you go. And then this one is do not dry clean. Boom. Do not dry clean. Boom. So now let's go into that. Ah. Boom, boom. What the fuck? Then here, intro sequence, billboards, and then all of these guys. Now the question is, where do I want to put these? Right up here? I think I need like a little bit more. I think I'm going to put them right here. So we have wash. Okay. They definitely need to be a lot smaller. Like right here. Hi, Elderman. You missed some character development. Yeah, lots of, you missed like a whole ass season. That's... Oh, man. You know, I actually kind of... I'm not gonna lie, I actually kind of like the, like, mix of black and orange. Like, it's kind of cool. Like, white, black, and orange. Maybe I'll stick with that. But we'll see. Now, what else can I put everywhere? Let me look up my... Let's see. These little guys, maybe? Ooh, arrows. Arrows. Arrows are a good one. And also maybe just some more text. Text is a big one. Like I could... Yeah. Let's put a little text in here. No, wait. SV accelerate. And this one's gonna be a completely different font. This one's gotta be like bold and like fat. Not this, but like sans serif. I mean, I guess this one could also work. So I definitely want to align this one vertically like that. But this one definitely needs to be different font for sure. No. For some reason, that actually does kind of work. It actually like kind of fits the aesthetic overall, but it's not quite it. Maybe this one, ultra bold. No. This is a great font. Can I disable the spell checker? It looks very bad. Ignore spelling. Yes, please ignore spelling. Please ignore spelling. It kind of works, but it's still not exactly what I'm looking for. But I will try and keep this font in mind because it's quite good. Oh shit. I don't have a good font for this. No. Consider buying a Keychron K10 fonts. You need to rid yourself of needing a 100% keyboard IMO, because you are locking yourself out of so many great options for keyboards. Like, I would love a font like this. But I guess maybe part of why it looks good is because it's not all caps. Oh, this one's all caps. All right, let's go on Google Fonts. Feeling loud, yeah. Innovative. Ah, yes, these are very innovative fonts. Wait, I want sans serif. I want no serif. Ah, sans serif, there you go. Geometric IMO. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking for. Color. No. Okay. Montserrat. Looks pretty good at first sight. This one looks pretty good at first sight. Let's see. Which weights do we have? That might be good. Black 900 looks kind of cool. That one's also not bad. Okay, let's download. Wait, what the fuck? Hang on. Okay. Variable font. Okay, boom. And install. Let's see if that shows up immediately. Oh my god, it does. Let's fucking go. So, black. Why does that still look like shit? I think it's because it's vertical, right? Or maybe because it's like, If it was like some shit like this. No, even that's kind of terrible. Hang on. Alright, like if I wrote something like this, I think it would look way more aesthetic, actually. Maybe I do just write balls. Maybe that is this. Maybe that is the solution. Is just just make it balls. Like unironically, that looks good. Italicize. I don't think that would. The thing is, it doesn't really work. It would have to go the other way for it to. It would kind of work if it was like this. It would kind of work if it was like this because then it would. Yeah. But I guess I could, in theory. Hang on. Because you can do some shit. You can make it like this, but that looks terrible. That also looks terrible. Ah. This would kind of work. It's actually not even that bad. But nah. Let me try the other font, actually. Where is it? Outfit. Boom. Huh. Weird. So outfit. This is what this one is called. That actually... I actually like that quite a lot. That is actually really good. Like, with it going pretty much across the entire screen like that, it's actually really nice. The only thing that looks kind of like out of whack is the underscore. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna like add that one manually. So here's what I'm gonna do for that one in particular. Hey, check this out, check this out. No. Rectangle. The fill shall be black. Can I skew? No. Hang on. There should be like a quick customized toolbar. Maybe there's something like skew here. Distribute spacing forward. Oh, oh. It would be so much easier if I could just like. Or I have an even better idea, which is gonna be like super organic. No. Yes, and I'll make that white. Wait. Oh no! That wait. Right, but that's kind of what I'm trying to do here. But no, that doesn't. That's not it. That's not it. That's unfortunate. Whatever. Okay, I'll just have to do it manually then. Fuck it. We ball and we do it manually. Bye. Right? That's it. That's it right there. Now, like, the overlap here still looks a bit awkward, but that is pretty damn cool right here. I think I might even go ahead and move all of these over to the left here. And then... trying to line that with this here. right? To get some more interesting shapes going. Ah. Hmm. 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 Okay, I think I like that. Hi, Sulfur. Ah, fuck. Oh, I have to adjust this again. Okay, but that looks okay to me. I think I maybe want to create a little bit more space here, because this is where the character is going to end up being. Why make the angles different? What do you mean, why make the angles different? Every geometric thing is at 45 degrees, except for this because it's in the font. Convince me not to get a 100% keyboard. Layers. The short sides of the underscore aren't parallel to the A and V. What? No, they are. Okay, the only reason you can see that is because you can see the fucking... There. What does layers imply? You can hold down a button and change what keys are on your keyboard. Like you can still have it, like you can still effectively have a numpad even when you don't have an actual numpad. Like for example, when I hold stuff down like this, hang on, right? When I hold stuff down like this, these buttons right here turn into my numpad. So you don't need a numpad. What is this layer? Here's this is an empty layer. That layer does nothing. Okay, so right now I'm thinking about moving this stuff over a little bit. Maybe even doing a little bit of this. Okay, I think what I want to do as well is make sure the colors are correct, because like I have like a little bit of a placeholder orange right now, I guess. I feel like it's missing some stuff though. I don't know how I can implement arrows and stuff. It's just got random numbers somewhere. Or like this. I also don't want to like overcrowd it with like too many different kinds of shapes, you know? Because like none of these designs have like everything, right? Except for this one, maybe. But this one's also just like, it kind of feels like more like a collection of different designs. I wonder if there's like maybe there's like in the store, maybe I can maybe there's like a secret product number or something that I can put in there. I go in here. And we're gonna do the t-shirt first. More details. Maybe in the size chart there are some numbers I can yoink. I could do the size chart basically. I could just basically do this whole row of numbers: 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Oh, these numbers are kind of fire, actually. Oh, I could even do like stuff like this. Wait. Unnecessarily maximalist design coming in. What if the L aligns with the barcodes like that? Right? That's kind of terrible though. Because that's where the guy is gonna have to be, unless I can like put him in the foreground. Actually, if I can play with like foreground and background a little bit, and like have the character like cover like this, then I might even be able to do, I don't know, like stuff like this, like XS even. Oh dude, oh, I think I'm cooking right now. Holy shit. Oh shit! Wait, do we even have XS as a? Oh, XS isn't even a. Fuck. Shit. Would it be a scam if I SMXL? No. This looks so aesthetically pleasing though. Having like the X on top of it's like, that's fucked up. But I don't know. It would be it would be a scam. Fuck. I can't use this. Damn it. I don't know if I fuck with the accelerate going over the orange and the L going under it. That's a fair point. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, you're kind of right. What does it look like if I just drag it to the bottom? It's probably not going to be much better. Yeah, it is a significantly worse. You can't see anything anymore. But I could... Oh. Maybe... Okay. Here's my current new idea. I'm gonna make it go as big as I can go and use this as like the cutout for it. No. This has a much better shape. That's a lot nicer, I think. Now let's make this align a little bit. Boom, like that. That's a lot better. Yeah. Oh, I'm so upset about this though. Ah, fuck. Okay, what about 2XL? Because we do have 2XL, we have 3XL and 4XL. It's the same kind of effect, I guess, but it's not as good, right? It's like, it's not as good as like XL and XS. With the guy over it, it's just gonna look like XL. Yeah, it might. Having this align might be kind of cool. That's not bad. That's not bad. The M is gonna be like almost completely covered, but I just need some like space fillers, I guess. No. Feels empty in the bottom right. I should do a little test render for like the kind of pose that I want my guy to even have in here, so that I can like more effectively compose everything around it. Overall, though, this is kind of sick. Kind of sick. Kind of sick. Wow. Okay, let's do this right here. Boom. And let's I guess, or no, hang on. No, I'm gonna open. So this is gonna be in assets, 3D, characters, Zweish 25. Boom. Our little guy right here. Work here. Giglitch PhD. Project files, intro sequence, billboards. Okay, so let's add a camera. Okay, so I'm also gonna adjust this guy. I might as well do that right now. While I'm here, get rid of the glasses. Get rid of the eyes. Get rid of the mouth. The eyebrows. All of the frickin' hair. Actually, what I might even do. Oh shit, hang on. No, I probably don't want to do that, because that's gonna completely fuck with the weight painting and the rig and everything, and I don't want that. So I'm just gonna do it like the annoying way and just manually go ahead and delete all the hair. Oh, weird. Okay. Oh shit. Why is the hand gone like that? That's bad. That's really bad, actually. Oh, fuck. That is, like, really not good. Why did I do that? Shit. Let's go, Gravity. The twink death in real time. I'm upgraded from twink to otter mode. Oh, damn it. Okay, I mean, this isn't a catastrophe, but it is rough. Because, okay, what I could do... Oh god, oh god, oh god, okay. I can select all this stuff. Deselect these edge loops right here. And then do this, because that's how I extruded it originally. Still like a little of those. And I think that's fine. I think I can do the same thing for here. Deselect this. Deselect this. Let me just hide the t-shirt for now. That's so wild that that feels like it shouldn't be though, right? Oh wow, no, I did like full on delete those faces. That's not good. That is not good. But I guess now that it's all in line, I can... Oh, I guess I could also... I also have like a mirror modifier that I could like get back, like get this stuff back with. Which, would I want to do that for this? I could try. Nah, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that just now. But I'm gonna... give it a different material. No. Um... mannequin. Thank you for the good luck. Hunky is censored? What? Also, hi, Lurvid. Hunky shoulder beefcake. What does that even mean? What is that even supposed to mean? I don't even understand. Yeah, that's kind of what we're looking for here. You hunky ass, honky ass. What the what are you talking? What is Blood yapping about right now? Box center, individual origins. There you go. Okay, let's see if I can get a cool pose going. I probably want to go with like at least 90 mil. Um, hmm. I think I might want to do IK on this, honestly. Let's go ahead and do... Is it right here? No. Is it here? Yes. So I don't want to do FK, I want to do IK specifically. Could basically do something like this here. Oh god, I don't even know how to get a relaxed type pose going. Oh, that's not bad. Blood is mostly yapping for the art of it. The art of yapping is crazy. Maybe let me try and place the feet first. Could I fake like bro having his hands in his pockets a little bit? I think the arms are a little bit too short for that to work. And like the shirt is also very... Well, let's try and just like pose him normally first. Like without the shirt. Like without looking at the shirt. Shirtless posing, real quick. What two keyboards do you have? I have a Keychron V1, I think, and a GMMK Pro. Maybe. So I think now I'm gonna try and let's take a look now at the shirt controllers and see if I can smush stuff around a little bit to like make it work. Because the silhouette is definitely very different. Also, this shirt is very long. So I'm gonna have to drag all of this crap down quite a lot. Yeah, so that, and that way I guess that works. Just trying to like get the shape of the shirt somewhat correct. That is not even that bad in terms of like a pose. Now let's do fingers. What in the hell? What in the actual hell? What the fuck? What the fuck is up with the what the fuck? What the fuck? I'm curious if I can give this a different material. Hmm. Yeah, no, the white actually kind of makes more sense. But I think I can make the sneakers all white. Basically do that. And let's do a quick lighting setup here. Okay, that's not great right here. So I'm realizing just now that I'm entering like locked in mode again. I'm just fucking not saying anything. But that means I'm making good progress. What did I want to do? Right here. Okay, that confused me for a second. I must have like the unculled body somewhere still here in the bin, maybe. Yeah, that's where the feet are. Yeah, Bro still has feet. Okay, they're still in the bin. Okay, let's render that out. Okay, that is something I feel like I can fix in post, honestly. Is it done? Okay, now it's done. E, okay. So let's do that one and say test pose 1. Hang on, I don't think it rendered with transparency. Film transparent. Yeah, there you go. Whoopsies. Do that again. Bro, why is the denoising taking so long? Yeah, because it's not using the GPU. Idiot, idiot, dumbass, dumbass. Test pose 1. There you go. Boom. As a PNG. Yep. Okay. So let me try and go in here. Test pose 1. Drag that in here. Okay, bro's gonna cover the entire fucking thing. Okay. But here's what's important is I'm gonna have to move him behind all the orange stuff. Okay, okay, I'm realizing because of how I like did all the orange stuff, like these are just white shapes in front of it. What I could do, put this onto here. Could try and do this. Try and move that onto this shape right here. Maybe that's exactly what I need. And then I need this. And I think if I now take this test pose and move it behind here. Damn it, not quite. Damn it, damn it, damn it. In that case, I want to turn this into a mask of some kind. Or what I could do... No. Hi, Scorch. What I could try... I don't want to rasterize it though, because I want to be able to change the color after the fact. Oh, I should have done this. Oh, I should have done this in Designer, honestly. Now that I think about it. I should have done this whole ass thing in Affinity Designer, because there you have those options. Shit. Ah, shit. Hmm. You got a marathon run confirmed? Let's go. Congrats. Could I do it like this? I'm trying to understand what it even is that I'm doing here right now. Okay, let me just put these in a group so I know what I'm looking at. A little bit, at least. These do not belong in that group. These go out here. Hide everything except for these. Now, Or wait. Mask to below? Shit. Guess what I could do is merge all these together. No. What does release mean? Oh, from the group, I guess. Oh, cool that it does it one at a time. Okay. Maybe I could group these together and then say this. I don't understand what the fuck I'm doing. I don't understand what the program is even doing or trying to do. Do I just rebuild this whole thing in Affinity Designer? Because I think it's gonna be better there. Or let me save it, go into Designer, and then see how doable that is. Vertical right here. All right, I'm gonna make a rectangle right here. I will make it orange of some kind. Maybe a little bit more red even. No stroke. And then I'm gonna make a bunch of these. And I think what I might be able to do here is then yeah, like that. And then I have this, and then I can still change the color of this or whatever. Normal, and then yeah. Can I do something similar here? Like, can I, if I ungroup this, wait, maybe I can actually do that. This, and then this. And then boom. It's calculating. It's calculating a lot right now. Wait, insert behind the selection. No, that's not what I want. Okay, I thought it was thinking a lot. No, not hide toolbar. Ah, fuck. Toolbar, toolbar, toolbar. We're a toolbar. No. What tools? Shit. No, that's not what I wanted. No, fuck. Oh god, oh god. Show toolbar. Okay, there it is. You have arrange, insertion. Ah, shit. Geometry. Ah, we don't have that. We don't have that here. Okay. Fuck. Okay, I guess I will have to actually. Could I do this? Oh my god. Okay, wait. Holy shit, this might actually be awesome. Okay. Hang on just a fucking sec. I'm gonna copy everything and just fucking paste it in here. I don't know if that's work. Ah. Okay. But now all I have to do is just adjust it so that the framing is correct. Okay, I think we have it actually. Holy shit. We'll discover the copy and paste function on his game. But yeah, okay. Shush for a second, because I'm pasting layers from one program into a completely different program. But yeah, this is what we need. This is exactly what we need. Okay, I'm gonna save this as poster 1. I don't know. Okay, let's see. Boom. And boom. And that way we have this. And then this. And then I'm gonna combine these. And then we have this as its own fuck-ass object. Fantastic. I'm even gonna do this. I'm even gonna do... Find these two, and then boop, boop, boop. Ah! Ah! Oh, wait. Boom. Boom. No. Oh, that's an image. Oh, shit. Well, that's fine, probably. Because I can just, make a rectangle. A new rectangle right here. That has that. The fill is black here. Boom. And there you go. I guess I can just group them together. Yeah. We have our thing here. We have our text stuff here. Group these together. We have this. This has its own element. This has its own element. This has its own element. And I think from here, I want bro to be I think I want him to be in front of that. That is all gonna need to be in front of my guy, that's for sure. So that people can scan it. That's important. I think that is actually fine if it's behind. But all of these IMO should be in front of my guy. Now this is a little bit unfortunate right here. But I can probably just adjust it up a little bit like this. So that way. And then I think I'm gonna need to move this around. No, I actually prefer it without that. I feel like that's takes too much focus away from the shirt. Maybe it could go here somewhere. I'm just gonna take it out completely, honestly. But yeah, this is pretty damn good. Have you listened to the Bohemian Rhapsody, but it's all 21 Pilots lore video I sent in music? If not, listen to it right the fuck now. No. And I will not be doing that right now. Okay, so now this, I'll make this a little bit more red. Right? Like, look at that shit. Look at this shit, dude. I think it just needs that. Oh, jeez. It just needs that, like, the actual design on it. And then I think we're cooking. So let me go ahead and export this as a PNG. Well, I'll do a JPEG since it's actually no PNG. Whole ass document. Yep. Oh shit, hang on. There's some white right here. Boop. But now I know how to fix that. Look at that. Dude. I fucking love just like trying completely new things and then the shit works out and it looks not terrible. I love this shit, dude. Okay, so let's go ahead and close this. Sure, I'll save it. And then go back into Blender. Does this person really have to be in the design? What do you mean this person? What's UV editing here? The little guy wearing the shirt? Well, yeah. That's like the whole concept of the thing. Okay, let's see. Weirdly enough, in practice, it doesn't actually look that nice. It doesn't glow in that way. I guess it'll need some kind of animation now that I think about it. Like it just being static is not necessarily. Well, I could I remember I got something at the keying set. Object transform. Ah, wait. Hmm. There was I mean, I guess you could do it with a driver kind of. But I remember let's see in here. Or do I even want that? No, because it's like futuristic. Let's try and get like a first proper render out or something. Hmm. Has it done the denoising yet? I can't tell. I'm guessing it did. The fuck is up with this? And this? Huh? Oh, is that like the puddle? Oh shit. But yeah, what is up with these here? Okay, there's just a duplicate. Okay. Noted. That explains some stuff. Yeah, so this looks great, big, but doesn't really work in terms of like the scaling of everything. Yeah, like you said, the warning bike icons here aren't really visible. And also, I think in terms of like the color of everything, um, hmm. Well, they do have white on a lot of like white and then the accent color. So it's not necessarily wrong in terms of like the colors, but I think it's just a scaling issue. I think my billboards might actually all be way too small. Right? Like I need some glare, like some bloom on all of this stuff. Which is a bit of a problem when you consider that the QRS code should still be like readable. I guess what I could do in compositing, maybe? Um. Okay, yeah, well that is not it. But where the fuck do I see the... There was a thing. Hmm. Okay, I guess I can see it in a second window, but why is it not showing up? I have like backdrop enabled here. Eh. Or do I need a viewer node? Oh, right, okay. Okay. That at least does a little bit to get the effect across. But I'll definitely have to how does this look? Okay, that doesn't make a huge difference, actually. Hey, Saku. Lucas of Zwiegenstein, son to Jan Fortnite and rightful heir to the throne. This is true. Okay. Alright, I think we've been going for like around about 3 hours. How's the arting going? Good, honestly. I'm not quite where I want to be in terms of like what the scene looks like right now. We did like this funny little poster design for like the billboards, and this is it in the scene right here. Main issue right now is scaling. Everything, like, it looks great up close, but it takes up this amount of space in the frame, and it's not really visible, so I'm gonna have to redesign that or adjust a lot of stuff to make it look cool. But like, as a poster like this, it looks pretty fire, but like in the scaling, it's doesn't work. One billboard should just be a shameless merge plug. That's exactly what this is. That's exactly. Scan this QR code. Scan this QR code and see where it sends you. I've had that T-shirt on my desk this entire time. There's like a stupid level amount of detail in here, by the way, just so you know. Right? Like, well, not only does this send you to the actual store, I looked at the actual shirt and the icons, the like clothing care icons. Those are accurate. Those are what's actually on the shirt. But they're very small and you can't see them. Like a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff is like way too small. Yeah, all of that detail which is not visible at all. Yeah. Yeah, I will definitely have to adjust this very, very, very drastically. I was thinking even more shameless. Well, it's gonna have the design on it. I'm gonna make the arrows on top, and then I'm gonna have a different one that has the guy pointing on the back. But yeah, I think that's a problem for tomorrow me, because I'm hungry. I'm really fucking hungry. I need to eat something. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna cut the session for here for now, for today. We got a good 3 hours in of a little bit of 3 hours of graphic design, a little X course. Chances are, I don't think I have anything planned for tomorrow. No, I'll probably be able to stream tomorrow as well then, or if not stream, then at least work on this. V1 or K2? V1. I mean, this is a personal preference thing, but I don't like when 75% keyboards have shit cramped in here. I think it looks bad. As for quality, I don't fucking know. They're both probably fine. You know, like my instinct, like when I opened this, was just like, oh, I'm going to shut down my PC. That is what my instinct just told me to do. Yeah. I'm gonna see y'all later. Maybe tomorrow. No promises. Never any promises. I will never promise anything. I will always say maybe, probably, and probably not. I will never promise anything. So I will... What I can promise is that you will see me again. Within your lifetime. Within... Actually, I can't promise that either. What if you die? Or what if I die? Like immediately after stream ends? Then I would have broken my promise. I might see you at some point in the future, within both of our lifetimes. Possibly. Probably. Highly likely.